Hi, I'm Cami. I'm here to help you post a job on STEM Hunter. Luckily, it's easy. To get started, you will want to make sure you are logged into your STEM Hunter employer account. Once you are on your dashboard, you can click the Post New Job button on the My Jobs section or navigate to the My Jobs tab and choose Add New Job. Once you click the button, you will type in the job title and click Submit. From there, you will be brought to the job posting page. First, you will enter in the job overview details, such as industry, function, and location. In the job description section, you can add in your full job description and format as you'd like. Next, add the required skills for the role. You can include desired years of experience or leave this blank if you'd like. Then you'll get to the job details section. This is where you can include salary information, employment type, and list your company benefits. The more information you can fill out for your role, the more likely you are to get applicants and quality matches to your posting. Lastly, it'll auto-fill your company's EEO statement, which can be edited by the company admin at any time. Fill out the notification section for anyone who should be notified, and you are ready to post. Ready to get started receiving quality candidates for your STEM roles? Get started today on STEMHunter.com.